Hello there, it's me again. It's our new lesson again. First lesson was a cube, but this time it would be a rectangle, a 3D rectangle. Okay, so we'll see how we can learn how to draw like this, and with our worksheet we'll try this. Okay, just like the first worksheet, we have the guideline again. The guideline are like the scaffolding that we used when we make a building, so it will help us to build our form, and the form is a 3D rectangle. Okay, so now we have the dots again on each line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines again. Okay, but this time this one is more of taller. Okay, the first one was wider, but this one is taller. Okay, so you can see it's taller. That forms the rectangle. Okay, so it's either we can do this way, standing up, or lying down, which you can see here. Okay, now we're ready. So again, we'll start with the vertical center line and the horizontal center line. Okay, let's start. So we will do again this at the like this, and the horizontal, and then we will have the 2. This is a little bit more farther than the first one, and then we'll keep it narrower from the center, and do also on the other side. Okay, now we put the dots again on the center for the first line, second line with both ends, third line, center line, and the fourth line we put on the both ends again, and here we have on the center line. So we'll see this, so this will be easy. Okay, so this. Now you already have a 3D. Okay, that's it. Now let's try for the final one again. The vertical center line, then we have the horizontal line, move it this way, and another one, keeping in mind the distances are as uniform as possible. Then we make narrow from here, narrow, and then we estimate it from here, and then we will go for the final dot. Okay, then we go again, this time more accurate. Yeah. See? Then we have the last diagonal line there, and we can erase the guideline because we want only the form of this one. So this is the one. Okay, now we're ready for the test. We will have this form again for the test. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's see. So we have first one is make the guideline. Okay, again we will do the guideline this way, from up, down, straight, and we put the center, and then we put this one here, and we estimate here, and another 2 on top like this, and like this. Then we'll come narrow between these. From the center we'll come narrow, and another one narrow. Okay, then we have the guideline, and then we put the dots. Second, third line, fourth line, both center, and then we will connect this, connect this, connect this, then we'll connect this, connect this, connect this, then we'll connect top to bottom, top to bottom. Okay, now what do you think we can do with this? So let's see. So we have a fridge, we have a box, we have a sharpener, we have a pencil box there. Okay, so I think we can make what? So because this will be at the back, so I'll put this at the back, so I'll erase that one. Then I will double this line and double this line and put something like ellipse here and move, and I'll put one more for this, and maybe like this, and another one. So it can be a container there and there. Okay, now let's see. Then we can shade. Okay, shade. Let's shade. It's a sketch. Okay, it's a sketch. Don't worry. Okay, as long as we have the form, the correct form, shading will be learned later. And of course, it's in the inside, so it would be a little bit more dark than outside. So there. Okay, so I don't know what it is, maybe a pencil or something. So we can draw a pencil or something. Okay. Okay, and maybe it's a pen or something here. And this one here. Okay, just make a little bit more shadow. Okay, so that's the 3D rectangle. Okay, 3D rectangle. Okay, I hope you've learned something today. Remember, everybody can draw. Everybody can draw as long as you know the technique of what you are going to do. Now you will notice here the orange. See the orange guidelines there? So you will see, you can pause the video and see the guidelines there, as it follow the same guidelines from the worksheet. Okay, so you can see. Easy to draw, right? Easy to draw. Now you follow this and you can draw. So that's all for today. Bye bye.